Hey, it's Tally, and in this fourth and final Mobile Messenger how-to video, we are going to review enrolling customers in Mobile Messenger and sending regular messages and notices. So we're going to start by finding the customer, and in this example, we are going to use Jane Doe. I can see at a glance, I don't have a cell phone number for Jane, and so I'm going to select View to enter her profile and then Edit Customer. Notice here on the left, the SMS icon is grayed out, indicating that the customer is not enrolled. So by entering the customer number here on mobile, they are opted into receiving messages from the shop. Now the SMS icon is active. If this customer has opted out of receiving text messages, select the DNT box for Do Not Text here. Notice that the SMS icon has completely disappeared. Unchecking this box will bring it back unless the customer has replied stop to one of your messages. Let's save this update and bring Jane Doe back up again. Notice how at a glance we can see what customers are and are not yet enrolled. We can even send them a regular or one-off message from nearly every window and workflow in Bravo. However, it's most commonly used during the loans and layaways to expire process. For example, our best customer, Diane M. Ash, has a loan on the expire list. Let's just quick zip a message and hold the loan for one more day. Just select the SMS icon in the report grid and then create your text message and select send. Now just right-click the mouse and choose place on hold and adjust the hold days and then select OK and then save and then yes to save any changes. It just took seconds to take care of our very best customer. With Mobile Messenger, you can also combine the power of customer ad hoc. And so from the Bravo dashboard, you can drop down customers on the right and then ad hoc reporting. Select Add New Criteria to build out your list or save and reuse reports found here. We will use a saved report called Big Spenders. This report will include customers with sales greater than or equal to $2,500 between January 1st of 2013 and February 7th of this year. Select OK. Now choose the PIN on the SMS column and check the SMS box to remove all of the Do Not Contact customers. Next, you can choose Control and then A on your keyboard to highlight all of the customers left on your list. Then choose Send Mobile Message from the right. Choose SMS, the event date, the event time, and then enter your message here. Now choose Send to schedule it. Finally, let's tackle those state-required loan notices. We've put them front and center so you can't miss sending them. Select Send Loan Notice from the Task Manager and now scroll down to Send Mobile Notices for all. Now they are all queued and will be saved after selecting Save. However, I have two customers that have DNT on their records, and in this case, I will print those notices, so select Shift on your keyboard and then select the second line and now choose Print All Notices from the right. We make mobile messages super easy, but we get it, you're busy, and we actually have resources that can help. So if you are looking for messaging ideas, best practices, or ways to motivate your team, just check out our resources, including our latest webinar on how to wow customers, drive in-store traffic, and increase sales with text messaging. If you prefer, Bravo's Mobile Messenger comes with free concierge services. Just give us a call and we will set up your messages for you. That's it. For additional questions, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks. Have a great day.